Welcome to China Ref and Danfoss Industrial Refrigeration. My name is Carsten Dalgaard and I'm heading global sales for Industrial Refrigeration. What we are focusing on China Ref this year is solution for the futures, and that's energy savings, it's charge reduction, low charge systems, and also CO₂ transcritical solutions. One of the brand new things here introduced is a NeoCharge system where we can reduce the charge up to 40% on the system. And we're doing it with a controller, we're doing it with an expansion valve, and we're doing it with a sensor inside here. With that solution, we can save up to 40% of the charge of a system. But we're also able to run what we call wet DX. And when we run wet DX, we can gain up to 15% more energy of savings on a standard DX system. And we can still reduce to low charge systems. It's a brand new solution and with a lot of opportunities in existing installations, but also for new builds to have a very low charge system. One of the focus is also energy savings in industrial refrigeration systems. And here we have the Air Purger. And the purpose of the Air Purger is to have the system running optimal all the time. And with this one running fully automatic, you can control your system and be sure you have no air in your system all the time, so you have the best running for your conditions on your compressors and save energy so you don't have air in your system. Also very new in the market. And the last part is over here. We have transcritical CO₂ installation valves. It's for transcritical ammonia, big industrial systems, where we are able to support on valve and control on very large CO₂ transcritical systems for the industrial industry. So welcome to see all our new solutions, and we are fully ready to support you for the future on industrial refrigeration.